Camera on asta, mute kota.
Most of you know who is Mahima Bhatt. She is a final year business administration student from SDM College of Business Administration. She is a budding entrepreneur and she has got her own Instagram business page, Craft It Mahi. Please do follow that. She shares a lot of videos on crafts and how to do best out of waste. And she is a perfectionist. She does the best out of everything. I mean, she likes to do everything more creative. So with this, I will not waste a lot of time because it's windy and raining heavily, and we have a lot of power outage issues today. So we'll start the session now. Over to you, Mahima Bhatt. Mahima, yes.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, I think again it's the same issue. One second. Am I visible? My screen is visible, students?
No. Yes, ma'am.
The craft screen, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me rename so that if you are missed, you can find me. I have renamed it as craft screen. This is it. So today, let's begin with our card making session. So are you all ready?
Yes.
First, we'll begin with this, tuxedo. If you have heard, suit. Your dads wear, suit, coat, formal suits. So we will do that now. That's the card we'll do. Can this be spotlighted? Okay. Oh, yes. Okay, we'll begin. So first, you'll have to, if you'll have any color, black or any color, whichever color coat, outside color coat you want, just pick up that color. All right. This is my A4 sheet, black color. So I'm using this. So just mark 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters, both up and down like this. 8 centimeter here and down also 8 centimeters. Okay. So up 8 centimeters, down 8 centimeters.
The craft and here and over. Okay.
You all have finished that. Just join the dots whichever you have measured 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
are you focusing it into the craft, ma'am? The camera?
Yeah.
But we can't see the craft, ma'am.
Wait 1 second. Spotlight. Okay. I think you can see now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So 8 centimeters here and 8 centimeters from down. Okay. Let me know when you are done. Anybody? So that I can proceed. Okay. So here, again draw 1 centimeter. Here, draw 1 centimeter. I don't know what is the size of your A4 sheet. My size is 30 centimeters. So that's why I'm doing this step. Okay. You don't have to do if you're okay, I'll tell you exactly what it should be. When you're folding, it should be 7 centimeters and 7 centimeters. This should be 14 centimeters. But here I have 8 centimeters extra. So I mean 1 centimeters extra in both the sides. So I'm just cutting it off. Okay. I'm just cutting that 1 centimeter from both the sides because it is too much. When we fold, it will come out. So that's why I'm cutting this part. Okay. So I'll be cutting this part. This, remember students, this should actually come 7 centimeters. Whatever is your size, your sheet size, just measure that appropriately. When you fold, it should come middle like this, middle, exact. Okay. Mine is little more, that's why I'm cutting 1 centimeters each from both the sides. All right. Any confusion, students? You can unmute and tell. So make sure this is 7 centimeter, this is 14 centimeter, and this is 7 centimeter. Okay. Once you're done, fold this.
Ma'am,
Yes, dear.
can you repeat the measurements?
Okay. What is the size of your sheet, dear? Because I can't tell like that. What is the size of your? If you measure like this whole sheet.
Ma'am, mine is A4 sheet.
Okay. See, you have to draw 7 centimeters here. Can you see mine? 7 centimeters, 14 centimeters, and 7 centimeters. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have to fold these two lines like this. See, now it's coming exactly in the center, right? When you're folding. So it should come like this. Okay. Then measure 2 centimeters here. Measure 2 centimeters here. Bottom of the sheet. 2 centimeters. Join this line. Okay. Join these dots. Okay. If at all you are having any confusion with related to the measurements, don't worry. What you have to do is just fold this both the sides of your sheet and see if it is middle. If it is exactly middle. If yes, then you are perfectly right. You can proceed. Okay. I have measured and I've done 7 centimeters, 14 centimeters, 7 centimeters. And here I've drawn 2 centimeters, one line. Okay. Now what you have to do, can somebody unmute and tell me if it's done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you have to do is, I'll show you in the pencil, this part, and this part should be cut off. Okay. Only so much. This part and this part should be cut off. Got it? Okay. So you have cut both the parts like this. Okay. Now this is folded. This is folded. Now this below portion, you have to fold this also. Okay. Keep your scale and fold, it will be easier. Like this. Okay. Like this. Fold like this. Okay. Done. Done till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now gum this portion. Okay. This portion, the folded part. Just apply your Fevicol or any gum and stick it. Now take any white sheet, A4 sheet, or if you don't have A4 sheet, white color, anything else also will do. Just take that white color and keep it aside. Okay. Now what you have to do is, first thing, this you will have to fold. Okay. Measure 8 centimeters here. 8 centimeters. Now this folded part is there, right? Like this cut part. So in one of them, just measure and mark 8 centimeters. So much. What you have to do is this end and this dot you have to fold like this. Like this. You have a collar for the coat, right? Just like that. Here also 8 centimeters. This dot and this tip should be folded. If I am fast, tell me to slow down, students. All right.
Can you repeat?
Yes. You have to measure 8 centimeters here. Mark 8 centimeters. You have this open part, right? So just mark 8 centimeters. And then this tip and this 8, wherever you have marked 8 centimeters, that should be folded like this outside. Similarly, this side also 8 centimeter. This 8 centimeter dot and this edge should be folded like this. Clear? Whoever asked me the doubt, hope I've cleared. Okay. Now, just cut this part, a very small square like this. There is no measurement for this. Very small square. You can see like this. The other two sides are not there, only two sides like this. All right. I hope you can see how I cut this edge. Similarly, cut this side also. Very small square. Like this. Okay. Done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now I ask you to keep white paper aside or any kind of paper, right? So just pick that white paper up. See students, in my coat is measuring 19 centimeters from here to here. Okay. Similarly, measure yours. Measure your coat's size also. Mine is 19 centimeters and this is 14 centimeters. All right. So, same measurement but little lesser than that. Now mine was 19 centimeters here, right? This is fine. You can keep 19 same. But this one, if it is 14 centimeter, if your width of the coat is 14 centimeter, then you have to draw in this sheet around 13.5 centimeters. Okay. 13.5 or little more than that. That is also okay. It should enter. Now this, whatever we are cutting, right? This is the sheet which we will be putting inside this. So it should, whatever you cut here should enter this coat. I don't know the measurement of your sheet. That's why I'm telling you all to measure. Okay. Mine, this one is 19 centimeters. So I'm drawing 19 centimeters here. And here, this is 14 centimeters. So I'm drawing 13.5 centimeters. If you have drawn, cut this part, okay? If you have drawn, cut this part. Now see, I have cut this part. It can easily enter this. See, isn't it? See, it is entering this. Aram se, without any issues. If this sheet is longer and wider than the coat, then it will not enter your coat. So make sure this sheet, white one, is lesser than your coat size. Okay, I am repeating once again. If you are done with this coat, measure this 19 centimeters. Mine is 19 centimeters. So I am drawing 19 centimeters here in my A4 sheet. And I've marked it and I've drawn the line. Then measure this one. This one is around 14 centimeters. So here I'll be drawing little lesser than 14, that is 13.5. 13.5 centimeters. And I drawed it and I cut it off. Okay, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Shasta, done? I can't
Ma'am.
hear you. Yeah,
Lakshya is not done.
okay. You're there to help, no? Help her little. You're there next to her. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Because others have finished, so I will proceed. Now, what you have to do is, this one is 13.5, right? This white one. This one is 13.5, right? Or whatever is your size. Mine is 13.5. So draw again the same 13.5 here. in whatever extra sheet is left. Draw 13.5 centimeters. And here 4 centimeters. Four centimeters. Join the dots wherever you have marked. And cut it. Okay. So this length is equal to this length. See? Okay. And breadth is 4 centimeters, I said. All right. Then cut it off. So this is here. 1 second.
Ma'am, what's the measurement?
Okay, I hope it's done.
Ma'am,
Finger.
what's the measurement?
See, this length is there, right? Length should be equal to this one's length. This one. Okay. Whatever is your size. Now mine is 13.5. So I cut 13.5 here. This should
Okay.
be 4 centimeters.
Okay.
Okay. So if you are done marking and cutting, after that, here mark 1.5 centimeters and 1.5 centimeters. Now draw this line very lightly, okay? Don't press and draw very lightly because otherwise it will be seen, that's why. Okay. 1.5 centimeters. Out of the 4 centimeters, draw 1.5 centimeters, join the line. Okay. Then just fold this and see which is the center, okay? Just make a small mark here like this. Okay, mine, this one is the center. Just fold and see which is the center of this. So this is my center. I've marked. Small dot I've put. Okay. Done till here. Anyone, any doubts?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Okay. The ones who have done, I will just tell you all. I won't keep you all waiting. The ones who have finished, if you have folded and marked the center of this one, now what you have to do is, from that center, wherever you have marked, now I have marked this as center, okay. From center, take 2 centimeters, draw 1 dot. Again, from this center, this side also, 2 centimeters, draw 1 dot. Okay, if you can see, from the center, left side and right side, 2 centimeters each. Okay. Now measure that when you have marked this, no, after 2 centimeters, what is the measurement this side, this one? Same measurement, mark it down also. Mine is around 4.8. And I've marked it like that. I think I'm not sure. Understood? Now this is little complicated. I think most of you have not understood. I'll tell again. Now this should be the length of whatever you have cut this sheet. And this should be 4 centimeters. And then this should be 1.5 centimeters. Draw a line. Then fold this and see what is the center. Mark the center. Then from the center, both left and right side, 2 centimeters each. Okay. Same measurement down from this dot to this mark so that you can draw a line like this. Okay. See, left side I have drawn the line based on that measurement. Same way, here also measure it. Here also it is 4.8. I'm measuring it. Draw. Okay, I'll show you this way it should be. Center one line and then 2 lines. Okay, understood? Anyone, any doubts? Okay, so next, cut these parts. See, I have put a wrong mark. These 2 parts, only these 2 rectangles. This rectangle and this rectangle. Whole portion here and whole portion here. This much. Cut it off. Okay. Done till here. A T mark should come like this. T. Okay. If you all could switch on your videos, I can see whether you all are understanding or not. There is no response. Okay, great.
Yes, ma'am, understand.
Okay, great. So, what is the next step? This part is there, no? Only this part. See, I have marked, right? Only this part you have to apply gum. Apply gum. And then stick it. Stick it to the center of this sheet, like this, behind the sheet, like this. Got it? Stick till it reaches this part. All right. Should come like this. I've stuck behind. Okay. If you are finished sticking, what you have to do is fold this one. Fold this one like this. Cross. Like this. This one again, same thing. Like this. So X mark like this. Okay. X like this. Okay. If you all are done, let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you have to do is You've drawn this, I mean, you've folded this X, right? Now this is little extra. This is longer. The collar is longer, so cut it half. Cut it cross, okay? See, cut it like this. I'm showing you. Now this is cross, right? This is cross. Just like that, cut like this. Still more longer and cut it like this. Make sure it will come like this. This way. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the shirt is ready. Put it inside. Okay. Now what are we going to do? A pocket here. Okay. If you have any small sheet, anything, this small also is fine. We'll draw one pocket here. Draw like this. Okay. If you all are finding it difficult, what you can do is draw a rectangle first, small rectangle, then draw two triangles like this. Draw two triangles. Okay. I'll draw on the marker and show you all. It's not visible. Okay, this way. If you are done drawing that, cut it like that only. In that same shape, cut it like that, like this. And stick it on the coat. Just like how you stick the pocket. Okay. Stick it here. This is little longer. I'm cutting it. Looking very dirty. Now the pocket is looking good. Right? If it is longer also, no problem. I just cut it so that it look neat. If you all also want, you can cut it. Stick the pocket. Okay. Now we'll do bow. Now my coat color is black. Whatever is your coat color, same color sheet you have to take. Okay. Mine is black, so I'm taking black. Okay. Now what you have to do is fold this like this. Fold this. No measurements, just fold it. One side of the sheet, fold it like this. Okay. Now you have to draw a bow like this. Wait 1 second. I'll show it to you on this side, okay? This side, show this side, not this side. This is wrong. From this side, I'll show you all. All right. So what you have to do is draw like this, 2 lines. Then draw like this.
Ma'am, what's the measurement?
No measurement, just fold one side of the sheet. Okay. Just fold one side of the sheet. And the folded part should come in the left side. On the right side, mark like this. And draw. See, I'm showing you. This should be the design. Okay, down one, not up one. Don't see this. Don't see this. See this one. This should be the design. If you are done, do another same type, another like that only. Okay. If at all you have doubt about the size, wait. First cut this part. Whatever you have drawn, this part, if you all have done, cut that first. Then we will do the other one so that it is of same size. Okay. Following? Anybody? If you have not
Yes.
followed, let me know. I'll show again. This shape, okay? This shape you have to draw. The folded part should come in the left side and cut part should be should come in the right side. Now, keep it like this and trace it. Trace the sides. Okay. Keep like this. Keep the bow like this. One part of the bow like this. Above somewhere. And trace the borders. Like this. Okay. We have traced it. Now cut it off. Okay. So basically, two like this should be there. Okay. Done? Okay. Now what you'll have to do is open this like this. Apply gum here. Stick it. Only one side like this. Only this much. This part. Okay, I'm applying gum. See here. Only so much. Stick it. Now apply gum again. Only to that part. And then stick this one. Like this. Okay. Again apply gum. And stick this like this. So bow is also almost ready.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
can you repeat this part?
sticking part. You have finished the cutting. You have cut this.
No, ma'am, from first.
Okay. So I'll show very quickly. You should see. Okay. See, fold one side like this. Okay. One side like this. Keep it like this. And draw this shape like this. Students, if you all have not followed, you should tell me then and there, okay? After everything gets over, you should not tell. So that I can show you again properly. This shape you have to draw, okay? Like this. Draw that and cut it off. Cut this one after you have drawn, okay? Lakshya? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Cut this part. I'll be very fast. I'll not explain very slow because we have to learn other cards also, no? So if you don't understand, tell me that time only, ma'am, I didn't understand. So I'll tell again. Okay. So you'll cut this, no? One side. Now keep this and trace it like this. Only the borders like this. See, I'm keeping it like this. You want the same type another bow, one side. So trace it like that and cut that also. Other students, if you are waiting, stick this bow. If you have done the bow, just stick it here. Okay. You can just apply gum here in the middle and stick it. Don't have to stick the whole bow. Only the middle part you can stick. Okay. Otherwise, apply gum for the whole part. That's also fine. So cut like this. When two bows are done like this. Now what, Lakshya? Pay attention. See here. I've cut two sides like this. Now apply gum like this and stick it. Stick one side of the like this. Okay. Then again apply gum. So I'm showing properly. Then stick this one. Apply gum again. And stick this one. Done. Okay. Laksha, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your coat is done. You can write your message here inside white shirt. You can write anything. Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday, brother. Anything you want, you can write. Okay. You can write here. So one card is done. Okay. We'll move to the next card. I hope you all are done. Bhumika, done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anish, I don't know his name. I think Samrudh, we have Samrudh here. Samrudh,
Yes,
unmute.
ma'am.
Yes.
Done with this card? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now take a color sheet. Preferably red or brown. We are doing a heart. Okay. So if you take red, it will be good. Okay. Now what you have to do is fold this one. Fold this one. Fold the sheet into half or anything. Just fold it. Okay. Now draw heart like this. Only one side. I'm showing you. See here. This is folded part. See. Okay. This is the folded part. Draw heart here. Like this. Only one side of the heart. Okay. Done. If you want, I'll show it in the marker if it's not visible. Okay. Only one side of the heart.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can I use pink color?
Yeah, no problem. red, pink, anything will do. I took this color. Hold the sheet and draw one side of the heart and then cut this part. Cut this part, okay? Okay, so you have cut it. Now when you open, you'll find heart, full heart, like this. Repeat the same structure, do 6 hearts. Now one is done, do 5 more. 5 more. You can keep this only and trace. We need same size. Keep this one only and trace it like this. Like how you did for the bow. Just like that. Trace it nicely. And then cut. 1, 2. Remember, it should be in the folded part. Folded side should come like this. Okay. Everyone once look here to the screen. This folded part, it should come like this. Okay. If this sheet gets over, if you finish, then take another sheet and do. Don't do it here. We need the folded part. Okay. Okay, now I finished with 5 hearts. I need one more heart, 6. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll first cut these. Just keep the old one and trace it so that it is of same size, all hearts. Okay, because we are going to skip them, that's why. Understood? Anyone, any doubts? Ask me now only, because I'll not repeat later. Here we don't have time, no? Okay. Okay, I'm done with 5. I want one more. What I'll do is, I don't want to waste my paper. So what I'll do is, you might tell, Kanjus man. Okay. We should not waste paper, no? So use this paper only and fold it. Because we want only small heart, no? So fold whatever left out page is there, fold it, keep it and trace. I want 6 hearts, that's right. Until now I finished with only 5 hearts. Okay. I'll cut. Remember, the straight side should come in the left hand side and one like heart's right side should come this side. Like this. Open all of it. So I have 6 and ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let me know if you all are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I can still see some are still doing. I'll wait for 2 minutes, then we'll continue. Okay. The ones who have continued, what you can do is apply gum to one side of, or wait, I'll continue with everyone. Shasta done?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay. Until then, others just take another sheet, maybe green color or anything like that. Whatever is, the contrasting color, anything. I'm taking green color. What you can do is just fold this into half. Fold this into half. Whoever have finished with the hearts, just fold this sheet into half. Just fold this into half. So done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now if you all have not finished, don't worry. I think sir will provide you with recording. We are behind time. We'll finish. Now what you have to do is, this heart is there, right? Open heart. Back side, one of the side apply gum. Only one side, like this. Okay? This is the heart. I applied gum here. Take another heart and stick it like this. Like this. Okay?
Can
Similarly,
you repeat this?
yeah, I'll show you. It is same, okay? You have to repeat the process. Apply gum like this for one side, like this. Okay? This is the open side, like this. Heart. This side, apply the gum and stick this one like this. Another heart, take another heart, stick it like this. One above the other. Understood? Who was it who asked me doubt?
Ma'am, Bhumika.
Okay, understood, Bhumika. So repeat the process with all hearts. Apply gum to one side like this and stick it. Stick another heart like this. It should come something like this for you all. Okay. Should come like this. Okay. Again, apply gum. Stick it. Only for one side. Done? I'm done. come something like this. When you open up, the hearts will come like this. Be careful while sticking. See, my another heart got stuck with this. The white paper came out. Be careful while sticking. Okay. It should come like this. Done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it should come like this. Now what you have to do is, this whole thing is there, no? After you have stuck like this whole thing, behind you have to apply gum and stick it here, middle. Okay. Apply gum here behind and stick it to the sheet. Okay. Should come like this. All right, done. See this one, it should come like this. Okay. So what next? Take yellow color or any other color, whichever you have. If you don't have yellow color, I am taking yellow. Okay. Done? Anyone? Can you tell me if you are done with this?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, great. Now what you have to do is draw a very small rectangle. I'm telling you the this one measurements. 7 centimeters. Okay. This one should be 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Sorry, I couldn't hear you. This is 7 centimeters.
Ma'am, there is any measurement?
Yes, this has measurement. This is 7 centimeters. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This one, I'm showing you the pencil, right? This should be 7 centimeters, like this. All right. After that, draw 2 centimeters here and join the dots. Then draw 6 centimeters here. I'll repeat for the ones who have not followed. Then again 2 centimeters. And here again 2 centimeters. Join.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again?
Yeah, I'll repeat. This one should be 2 centimeters. Okay. This one also should be 2 centimeters. This should be 2 centimeters. Again, this one also should be 2 centimeters. This one should be 6 centimeters. And this whole thing should be 7 centimeters. Okay, first draw measure 7 centimeter, draw one line. Then draw whole thing 10 centimeters like this. Okay. See, I'll tell you the measurements again. 7 centimeter width and 10 centimeters length. Draw one rectangle first. Okay. When your rectangle is done, then 2 centimeters both the sides like this. All 3 sides. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. That's it. Don't worry about all these. Got it? This is,
Ma'am,
yeah.
I didn't understand this part.
Okay, see, I'll tell you again properly. Listen, this is 10 centimeter, okay? Mark 10 centimeter. And draw
Mama,
the line.
ma.
Okay, draw the line. Then measure 7 centimeters like this. Okay,
Ma'am, I finish.
okay. 7 centimeters. Sorry, I think the base was not proper. So this is 10 centimeter and 7 centimeters. Okay. Then draw 2 centimeters in all 3 sides. Like this. 2 centimeters. 2 centimeters.
Also, I see there.
Sorry.
Nothing, ma'am.
Just this much. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then cut this one. This rectangle. Bigger one. Okay.
Ma'am, it's 7 into 10, right?
Yeah. Oh, I said, oh, wait. It will be fine. I think here I said 7. 1 minute. I'm sorry. It should be 8, but if it is 7 also, no problem. Okay. We have to do a basket here. That's it. Okay. If anyone has drawn 8, I'm really sorry. If anyone has drawn 8, no problem. Don't worry. Just cut this one. Okay, but make sure 2 centimeters are there in all the sides. I think by mistake I told 7 centimeters, but it is, if it is 8 or 7, no problem. Okay, it should come like this. If this is there, then it's fine, whatever you have done. This side 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Got it? If you have doubt, ask me. I'll repeat again if you want, because this was my mistake. Samrit, can you unmute and tell you understood?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now what you have to do is, I'm showing you, see here everyone, whatever you're doing, stop and see the screen once. Okay. Now you have to cut like this, okay? I'm drawing the marker, you have to cut like this. Like this. You have to cut this part like this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh.
Teacher, are those curves?
You have to cut this part.
Is that a curved line or a straight line?
Straight line. See? I just drawed it without scale. That doesn't matter. This is the back part of the basket. Okay? But the shape should be like this. One
Yes,
slant
teacher.
like this. One slant like this.
Oh, straight is one.
Okay, teacher. Thanks.
Enchalapu straight board unde idji, but nikle fold mantare avdu. Ati bokka. Kuncha cut manti. Cut it like this. So this should be the shape. Okay. Those who have finished till here, you can fold these three lines. Fold. Fold it like this. Okay. These three lines, fold it. Whoever has finished, fold these three lines. Okay. So it becomes something like this after you have done. Done, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now what you have to do is stick this, okay? This part is there, no? This should stick to this one, like this. See? I have applied gum, you can see. Only two sides I have applied, here and here. Stick this part like this. Okay. This one, like this only, apply gum here, all three sides now. Once you have folded this part, once you have stuck like this, apply gum to all these 2 centimeters you had done, no? Only for that part, not for the middle part. Only for these parts, apply gum and stick it on your teeth, little below. Okay, like this. Now this is basket. Done. So you can see hollow here. One. Okay. You can keep any message here if you want. You can write anything like this. I love you, Mama. You can do this and put it in this, fold it and put it inside this. Okay. So it will come like a basket. Now, just to make it more beautiful, what you have to do is, if you can hold scale and do, or in pencil also, I mean, with just hands also you can draw. Draw like this, like bricks. Have you all seen bricks? Brown color bricks. Have you all seen, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you should draw like that. Like this. Like this. Okay. You can use sketch pen or you can do it in marker also. I did it in marker. Okay. So if this is done, then you have to join this one like this. You can use scale so that it's not. Join this heart to this basket. Okay. Join this heart to this basket.
See that.
Okay. Join this heart to this basket. That's it. Darken it if you want. You can do it for Teachers' Day or you can do it for Mom's Day. Okay. Or sister's birthday, anything. Okay. Then just if you want to make it little more beautiful, do two hearts like this here. Then if you want, you can do two crows like this. This is, if you all have heard of hot air balloon, this is that one. Okay. So it will be flying in the sky like this. People sit in this and this. And clouds.
This side. Mine is also having this.
Just to give little decoration, I'm doing these clouds, crows, anything.
You did show up. No, I won't do this. That is okay. I'll do another.
Okay. Done? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write your message, anything, happy birthday, anything here inside. Okay. Very simple card, easiest of all. So we have crossed 1 hour. If you all want, I can teach one more. Only if you all want, you should tell me. Do you all want to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Ranjit sir? Shilpa ma'am?
Yeah, I'm not sure if everybody's okay, and it's about the power also.
Okay.
Ask everyone. Yeah, if everybody's
Yeah,
okay, then
students, if you all want, I'll teach one more. Otherwise, we can close it today.
this power is also fluctuating. Then the recording will also not be available, right?
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay. Then students, for today we will finish because you all want recording, right? Because if power goes, you will not get the recording. That's why sir is telling. For the recording, we will close it today. But don't worry, I will, you all have followed my, if you all have followed my YouTube channel or something, I will put it up there. I'll do and put it up.
There are few new students this time, so you can post it again, Mahima.
Okay, okay, okay.
Interview.
So here is my Instagram link, YouTube link. Okay. So there also I'll post if you want. I will do it in 1 or 2 days and then put it there. So if you all want, you can follow.
Please do follow Mahima's YouTube channel, Instagram, and Facebook page.
Mama. It's okay, she will not understand.
The recording for craft workshop and greetings card will be available in few days. Okay, but I'm working on it. Once it is done, I will just post it in our Krishna Place YouTube channel. We'll send the link also. Now the floor is open for you to talk to Mahima to know about her future events or any classes that she is going to conduct or any further details. You can share your numbers, contact numbers with her too.
If you all want my number, I will put it here. I can share with you all whenever I conduct workshop. Okay. You can ask your mom or dad to just note it down.
And can we have a group pic? One group pic with all the
Yes.
crafts? Yes, with all the greetings card.
So students, how did you like it? Did you like it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Hold your cards and give a beautiful smile. Wow, very nice. Bhumika, even you can hold your cards.
I've actually still not finished it.
Is it? Okay, whichever you have finished, you can hold. Okay. Okay, great. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed this session.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, over to you.
Thank you. Thanks
Yes,
a lot,
ma'am.
Mahima. Thanks a lot, Mahima. And all the participants, please share your pics, the craft to our WhatsApp, and we'll post it in our Instagram page, and also we'll share it with Mahima. So now we are running short of time, so we have to close it. Thanks a lot, Mahima, and thanks to all the participants.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, all. Bye.
Ma'am, thank you. And
Bye.
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೋಟೋ
Thank you.
thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Welcome. Bye. Stay safe.